Okay. We're at the Sunbury BMX track. Just gonna have a roll around, have a look. It's a pretty nice track here. Let's go.
Should I try Steve on that?
All right, here we go. Oh, he's still there. Whoa! Whoa! Hey? No! Getting tired yet? Morning. I'll just show you. Oh, rabbits! Oh, poor rabbit. Ugh. No eyes. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Morning.
Oh, Dad, I know where it goes. It goes to the next street.
Yep. Yeah. I thought it would. Oh, this is where the magpies used to get you. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh, I can hear them. I can hear them. I can hear them.
You know what? I'm going to be spontaneous.
Okay, sure. I wonder what those cans are for. It must be like scaring birds or something.
I think it goes in your mouth.
Whoa! Oi! Oi! Oh! Phew. Rocky. I remember coming here with Rocky a lot. Prime delivering on Saturdays. You can do it.